All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Difficult, I think. As only you will ride, you will never think about how to mount on the wheel. You just do it, like with the bicycle, with the scooter. But for the first time, yeah, it's better to play with different size, different legs, to understand what is better for you. Your personal experience, what advice can you make for the beginner? How to do it, from the first trial?
You're absolutely right about the speed thing. Like, if you're not going, it's hard to balance, just like a bike. You can't just take your feet off your pedals, put your feet on the pedals of a bike at a standstill and balance. It's impossible. You have to be moving.
Great.
So
nice advice.
That's the best advice.
Okay, show us this movement. Theory is theory, but practice is practice. Come on. Nice one. So, from your personal experience, what is the difference between basic model and this advanced model? Sorry?
It's like an SUV.
SUV, yeah. It's a Lamborghini Huracan, I think. Because it would be accelerated up to 70 kilometers per hour. You can leave it. Just leave it. Take a break. Break is very important thing. Really. Just leave it on a kickstand. You wanna? Yeah, you can press the button under the seat. Wow. Do you think this is guards is useful or useless? I mean, this soccer guards.
Guard?
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes
you
it's coming off because the machine can hit against you.
Yeah.
It's not
heavy.
It's not per se like you falling and hitting your shin on the curb or anything. It's actually to protect you from the machine.
Exactly. And the last question, do you recommend free trials for the rest of people?
5 stars.
Okay.